So we made it to when as a family thought it'd be easier to get us out of the house and stuff. And COVID rules. I look bright in this window. It is proper dark. But because of COVID rules, I'm not out of the house. So Susie's there ramping, doing her stuff in her car, and then Cedar's inside because there's the rules. But anyways, I'm in Susanna's dad's shed. He's got a workshop over there, but I'm not allowed in there. Look, see my van? Hey, we'll get stuff out before it starts raining. But anyways, look at this find, people. Look at them. You can see it. Feel like excitement in me. Look at this find. Let me turn you around now. Look, watch this. 1, 2, 3. That's embarrassing. Look at this. Someone was chucking this out. Yeah, it's a bit lean. But then if I cut the legs off, it'd be perfect. So to me, it's like the ideal chicken. Another chicken coop. I say that. It's proper wedged shut. Okay, so someone's painted it and obviously not kind of bothered with it. But anyways, but yeah. So there's Susanna's dad. But anyway, so yeah, I'm going to tuck this up and make it into a nice coop. I thought about goose coop, but I thought that's a bit too big. So another chicken coop would be ideal. I've emptied the van. Got all my bits of wood I chopped up the other day. Well, not chopped up, I kind of took off the wood of the pallets and stuff. Got all the nails out of it. It's a great achievement. And Susie's dad, Malcolm, he's tied up a bit more now. I've got my tools here. I don't know why I bought my tools, but it makes sense. I'm not going to come in and take the pee, innit? I've got all these kind of things. Look at that hammer though. Jeez. Saying nothing. But anyways, yeah, so I'm going to focus on this one for now. And I'm getting excited about this green one here. So I'm going to swing you around. This is just making me go all excited. But I'm going to gut that and kind of sort it out because I like the colour, but it is bloody ugly. Very Art Deco looking, isn't it? But then, yes, I'm going to focus on this one, get this one fixed, and then you just be getting chickens. Well, that electric fence first, because I saw a lot of the other day, people, and the otter scared the crap out of me. I think I said that earlier. But yes, it did. It scared the crap out of me. It was a big, black-looking thing, and I know they like to take ducks and chickens and stuff. But anyways, I'm blabbing. Let's get to work. Look at that. Look, when the fan of this blows the dust and goes right into my face. It's on my tash. Look at that, I'm an old man. Jesus. I'll be coughing tomorrow. But look how cold it is. I know you might be able to see it from here, but actually from here, look, from there. But you can see it, look. You can see my breath. Temperature's definitely dropped up here. But I haven't spoken about this. Apologies. There's me building away and hacking and slashing and stuff. Oh, mind my bits. But yeah, let me just give you a little lowdown of the coop quickly. So let's close it up. That's not the coop. That's where you like fondle things in there. I think Susie's dad, the secret scientist. But anyways, so here's the door. I'm gonna put like a little door that comes in here. I don't know. I was knackered when I drew these holes. I forgot I was gonna put cladding in. I need some air holes. So I thought, oh, silly me. Anyways, it opens up now. Ta-da! So this is why I'm kind of drilling holes up here into this piece of wood, so they can go up here either side, and then put a roost across the top so the birds can roost up here, and then poo goes down here, poo goes on here, and this will be like a little nest box when the time's right, because chickens love to kind of roost up high, and when the time comes I can pull this out. It's a bit stiff now, pull it out. I'm putting it with one hand, that's most really why. And yeah, and then clean that out, get the eggs out. There you go, easy peasy chicken coop. And you're going to do the similar thing to this lovely piece of junk. Whew, deep breaths. Oh, he's got rat and mouse killer. Ooh, that's a bit nasty. Bit nasty in there. Oh, humane. That's how I deal with the rats here. I haven't seen the live one yet, so we'll wait and see. Anyways, what a faff that roosting section was. I was just trying to think, if I was a chicken, how would I want to sleep? And I looked on Google, I was looking at different things. But I remember my friend, never met her yet, but we're virtual friends, Homestead on the Highlands. I put the name bottom of the screen here. She's got loads of chickens, and her chickens, they just nest in a rabbit hutch, an old rabbit hutch. They all cram themselves in, about 4 cocks, about 4 cocks and like loads of hens and like loads of little chicks and stuff, just cram themselves in just to keep warm. And have a look at what I've done now. So it's kind of weird though. I do prefer working outside because there's no shadows. I don't cast shadows and that many things. Like, you know what I mean? It's just like I just got pure light, and I don't know. I think I prefer it. But the thing is, anyway, I've got electric, so what am I complaining about? So anyways, now look. So I've got a roosting net bit from here. I know it's split, but hey, I can fill it in. and it goes across, and then this one goes across here, and there's like a little one just at the back just here, so they can jump onto here, then to get onto this high bit there, and I can still access this to clean the poo, and there's still enough space underneath there for a chicken to kind of jam and lay some eggs. So yeah, so I just need to make a door now and clad the whole thing up. Right, easy. Right, these are some serious glasses. I think I'm shouting. Apologies if I am. But now I'm going to use the angle grinder, so safety first, people. Got to cut some screws. I don't want these hens to hurt themselves. Or the cock. Look at these guys. I was going to use this bit, but you know what? I feel bad for these guys, so don't want to be some home wrecker. Literally. There's so much to choose from. And there's more out there. As you can see, it's kind of smoky. I got impatient. I was using an angle grinder, a little one, to kind of cut through the wood. Obviously the friction. I was just there, just doing this, like, get it done. But then I realised how smoky the room is, so tut to me. No fire alarm in here, I would have been deaf. But anyways, I had this on, that's why I didn't really, well, it's done now, isn't it? At the end of the day, got it done. It's almost done. Let's call it a day. I'm pooped. The sun's setting now. You know, the clocks go back. Sun sets earlier. It's a bit of a pain in the ass, but I've driven around here at night time, but I don't. There's just no street lights. I'd rather get home. I don't want to kill any hedgehogs. There's a lot of hedgehogs here, people. Roadkill. I've never seen a live hedgehog. I'm not sure if I told you that, but one day, you know what? I should stay till, you know what? I can't be bothered. I'm hungry. But anyways, look. It's all done. Pretty much. Little hole. Needs to get some pliers to put over that. Door closes lovely. Close this up. Lock this up. Chickens are safe for the night. And clad it way around. Need to get some ply for the top, and then I've got some corrugated sheet, which is ideal shape. Need to get some handlebars. So I'm going to come back each evening. I think I'm going to spend my evenings doing this. You know, just going to tighten this up, give it a nice lick of paint, and yeah, it should be done. And I should have chickens by next week, because that's when my electric fence comes. Woo! Anyways, guys, thanks for hanging around. Peace and hugs, and I'll see you soon. And stay tuned if you want to see how this lovely old ugly thing. I don't mind. I quite like the colour, but I would never have that in my house. Put it that way. But this thing turns into another chicken coop. Can have more chickens. Don't tell the missus. She might shout at me. But hey, because I know these guys get broody and they need space to kind of do what they're doing. So it might as well just kind of prepare for that, if you know what I mean. So, and I've got the space. I've got the know-how. I've got the food. So let's do it. Anyways, peace and hugs. Love you long time. And consider subscribing if you're new here to see, just follow the adventure really, because I'm just full of adventure.